Hello, everybody. Welcome to my JavaScript Beginners to Advanced course, where we are going to start from the basic to the advanced level of JavaScript. So, without further ado, let's dive in. So, before moving on to start writing code and so on, it is better we get used or get to know what JavaScript can do. Yeah, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a cross-platform object-oriented programming language used by the developers to build an interactive web pages. So the JavaScript is used on the web also to build an interactive page. Whenever you interact with an animation and you click on something, an animation pops up and so on, then you are actually seeing the work of JavaScript. It allows developers to create dynamic updating content. Yeah, this is whereby you can send a message, receive another message at the same time without having to refresh the web page or see a response of what you have done within a seconds without having to refresh the page. The use of animations also, yeah, this is whereby you come across different animations, you click on different kinds of things and you are seeing a pop-up menu and so on. All those animations, those are also part of animation. The clickable buttons, they are also part of animations. When you click on a button, you are not refreshing the page and you are getting a response of what you are expected. So those things are done with JavaScript and the control multimedia. Yeah, you can build a multimedia applications, more like a video or player, audio player, picture viewer, and so on. So you can do a lot of those things with JavaScript. Yeah, there are a lot more. JavaScript was mainly for web then, but due to the ES5 and ES6 that has been introduced into JavaScript, yeah, since then JavaScript has been able to do a lot more than just in web, which is on the client side alone. Today, you can build a complete or a fully mobile application with JavaScript. You can build a desktop application with JavaScript, and as well as build the web with a website with JavaScript. There are also a lot more of things that you can do with JavaScript. But yeah, if you are interested in building all of these things, then JavaScript is the right programming language for you. So we are going to stop here, and we are going to start writing the JavaScript immediately after this. See you in the next course. Thank you.